Hello students, today topic is theory of plate tectonic. This theory was proposed by Arrhenius and developed by Morgan and latest development by Canadian geologist Thuzo Wilson in 1965. As per Thuzo Wilson, the whole earth has 7 major plates, more than 20 minor plates. At first time, the word plate used by Wilson. Plate tectonic theory. The major plates are Eurasian plate, African plate, Indo-Australian plate, Eurasian plate, African plate, Indo-Australian plate, North American plate, South American plate, Antarctic plate, and Pacific plate. These are the 7 major plates. And some important minor plates are Juno de Fuca plate, Cocos plate, Caribbean plate, Nazca plate, Scotia plate, Philippines plate, Iran plate, and so forth plates. These plates are mainly classified into 2 divisions as per area. The plates which have more than 2 crores square kilometers area are called major plates. And the minor plates, the plates which have less than 2 crores square kilometers area are called minor plates. All these plates move on the asthenosphere like the movement of the glaciers move on the water as per Wegener, F.V. Taylor, Abraham Vertillis. Mainly, these plates have 3 types of movements. One is convergent movement or compressional movement. Convergent movement or compressional movement is nothing but the 2 plates are moving very close to each other. The second movement is divergent movement. Divergent movement or tensional movement is nothing but the 2 plates away from each other. Third one is transform movement or horizontal movement, in which the 2 plates move, slide fast in opposite direction horizontally. In convergent movement, Convergent moment plates. Convergence moments is nothing but destructive zones. Divergent moments is nothing but constructive zones. Transform moment or horizontal moment is nothing but neither destructive nor constructive. It is nothing but conservative zone. Convergent movement is nothing but destructive zone. Divergent movement is nothing but constructive zone. Transform movement is nothing but conservative zone. First we are going to convergent movement. When two plates collision or collide, which type of geological features are originated or created? As per Tuzo Wilson, which type of geological features are originated when two plates collide? One is trenches. Trenches are nothing but depressions. Depressions are nothing but which are located on the floor of the oceans. Trenches are also called depressions, which are also called submarine valleys. The second one is volcanic island arc. Volcanic island arc is nothing but a chain of volcanoes with arc structure or a group of volcanoes. First one is trenches or depressions or submarine valleys. Second one is volcanic island arc or a chain of volcanoes. Third one is earthquakes. Trenches are the source of the earthquakes and tsunamis. The earthquakes which are located or which occur on the floor of the oceans or seas are called tsunamis. Which are called on the surface of the earth are called earthquakes. One is trenches. Second one is volcanic island arc. Third one is earthquakes. Fourth one is mountains. These four type of geological formation features are originated when two plates collide or collision. And which type of geological features are originated or created when two plates divergent? One is sea floor spreading. The second one is ridges. The hills which are located in the oceans and seas are called ridges. And rift valleys. Earthquakes. These are the due to divergent forces. Which type of geological features are originated and two plates transform or horizontal movement? Earthquakes are originated or rift valleys are originated. We can observe, must and should. These are two types of plates. One is continental plate, the second one is oceanic plate. The continental plate has more thicker and low denser. Has more thicker and low denser. Whereas oceanic plate has low thinner, high denser. The continental plate has high thicker. Continental plate has high thicker and low denser. That means thickness is more and density is less. Whereas oceanic plates has low thicker, high denser. Is nothing but thickness is less and density is more. The continental plates having the granitic type of rocks, whereas oceanic plates consist the basaltic type of basaltic rocks. First we are going to discuss the convergent movement. It has three phases. One is oceanic and oceanic collision or collide. The second one is oceanic and continental collision or collide. The third one is continental and continental plates collision or collide. First, you are going to see the oceanic and oceanic plates collide. When two oceanic plates collide, which type of geological features are originated? One is trenches, the second one is volcanic island arc, third one is earthquakes, fourth one is mountains or islands. The collision of the Pacific Oceanic Plate and Philippines Oceanic Plate is nothing but the Pacific, when the Pacific Oceanic Plate subducts underneath the Philippines Oceanic Plate, Mariana Trench is created or generated. It lies eastern side of Philippines country, eastern side of Philippines country. It is the nearest to the Mariana Islands. And also volcanic island arc is created or generated or originated which is located from Taiwan to Mindoro island of Philippines. It is a arc shaped volcanic island arc. Volcanic island arc are originated along with the parallel direction of the trenches or depressions or submarine valleys. And also earthquakes, mountains. We can see arc shaped volcanic landforms, geological landforms in the Pacific Ocean. Particularly, we can see from Taiwan to Mindoro Island of Philippine country. And so many trenches we can see either sides of the Philippines country. These are the oceanic to oceanic. And second one is oceanic and continental plate. When oceanic and continental plate collide, which type of landforms or geological forms are originated? When the Pacific oceanic plate subducts underneath the northern part of the North American plate, Aleutian Islands, Aleutian arc-shaped islands, and Aleutian trenches we can see in the North Pacific Ocean near Alaska. These Aleutian islands belong to United States of America, which are located near Alaska. And third one is continental and continental. When continental and continental plates collide or collision, mountains and earthquakes originated. When Indian subcontinent plate subducts underneath the Eurasian plate, Himalayan folded mountains are originated. These are the highest folded mountains the world. The folds mainly has two geological features. One is anticline structures, the second one is syncline structures. Axial plane divides. Axial plane, either sides of the axial plane, two limbs are located. Symmetrical folds have equal limbs, as asymmetrical folds have unequal limbs. Types of folds, one is symmetrical folds, the second one is asymmetrical folds, third one is isoclinal folds, fourth one is monoclinal folds, and fifth one is recumbent fold, and overturned fold, open folds, closed folds, fan folds, and chevron folds. These are the important types of folds. These are the convergent movements, 3 stages, and important geological features. And we are going to next level, divergent or divergent or tensional movements. Which type of geological features are originated and two plates divergent? The Atlantic Ocean, when broken the Atlantic Ocean, the eastern part moved towards eastern side, the western part moved towards western side. In between, Rift Valley was created. After that, huge magma, the Rift Valley was filled by the huge magma. In course of time or in the long run, sea floor development and so many ridges are originated in the middle part of the Atlantic Ocean. Some important ridges The northern side, Iceland. The southern side, South Sandwich Islands. In between Iceland and South Sandwich Islands, the important islands are Canary Islands, Cape Verde Island, Gaug Island, St. Helena Island, Tristan da Cunha Island, Ascension Island. These are the important ridges we can see in middle part of the Atlantic Ocean. These are the two oceanic plates divergent movement. And which type of geological features are originated when two continental plates away from each other are divergent forces? Due to divergent forces of the African plate and Arabian plate, Rift Valley is originated. In the Rift Valley, the Rift Valley filled by the water that is called Red Sea, and also East African Rift Valley. These are the important features of divergent forces. And third one is transform movement. When two plates move, slide fast to each other in horizontal direction with opposite side, earthquakes occur. Example, San Andreas Fault in California state of USA. San Andreas Fault in California state of USA. These are the main important geological features with examples. Convergent movement, divergent movement, transform movement. Students, thank you students. I hope could you understand what I have taught so far.